So let's talk about how to get commercial with just this one thing that you can do of how you can use LinkedIn for your commercial Christmas lights, whether it's for Christmas lights or whatever. I'm going to show you how to use video for yourself so that way you can start sending videos to people while you are trying to get more jobs, right? Let's just say that you go to this fancy outing and you meet someone, or maybe you go to a meet and greet like my buddy Daniel did last year and he took him lunch, or like my friend Christian did just today, that they went and did a meet and greet. And so you meet all of these amazing HOA people that are there, and you're like, here's my business card, and they take it and they give you a business card and you take it, and then you do nothing with it. So these are some things I'm going to show you how you can be different, right? Let's be different. It's Christmas lights. It's exciting. Boring and do Christmas lights or you're going to go broke. So it's exciting. We got to do this, right? And so I want to show you how you are able to use LinkedIn. You go find them on LinkedIn, and how you can use video so that way they will remember who you are, and they will also remember to buy from you, because these are ways that we can do because if we just do words, that's not really building trust factor in those words. And so this is a way that we will be able to build those trust factors for your business. So first thing we've got to do is I got to get my phone up here. And so the first thing, pull it up here, right? This is LinkedIn. You can go through LinkedIn. You can click on LinkedIn. You can see that this is LinkedIn, right? This is LinkedIn. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, let's see, what was that guy's name that we seen? Chip, right? Chip today. Chip with Clash Pressure Washing. Well, it might be Chip with whatsoever homeowners association or apartment association, or wherever you may be, wherever they may work. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to click on their name. That's all it does. And then you're going to hit this big old message button, right? LinkedIn wants you to use this big old button here, because otherwise they wouldn't be doing this. So you're going to push the button and it's going to come up like so. But we're not just going to do a boring message, right? A boring message would be like, hey, Chip, it was great seeing you. But we're going to hit the little, I don't know if you've seen it there, the little paper clip over here. This is a paper clip. Some of your younger generation may not know what a paper clip is. And we're going to hit the button that says take photo or video. We're just going to click on it. Now, up here in the top right-hand corner, we got to hit the little camera so it shows my beautiful face, right? Then the next thing I got to do is make sure that I just don't send a picture. I want to send a video, so I'm going to send a video. All right. So you might say, well, Jason, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to say this or whatever. Well, the good thing and say, oh shoot, I screwed up. And the good thing is before we hit the send button, we don't want to send that one, right? Because we screwed that one up. So we're going to do number 2. And you can be something along these lines right here of, hey, Chip, it was great seeing you yesterday at whatever outing it was at. It was awesome talking to you, and just wanted to let you know that if you need anything, please don't hesitate. You can message me right here on this app, or you can call me on my number at 8675309, and I will be glad to help you in anything that we can do. It was awesome talking about how you were doing that golfing at that golf course and you hit that hole in one. I still had that memory in my head, right? And so these are things we're going to do. Now, here's a challenge to you. I'm going to give you a challenge out of this video. I challenge you to go out there and find one person that you have either messaged, or someone might have liked your page. They may have liked the comment. They may have looked at your stuff, and send them a video. That is my challenge for you out of this video. And then we're just gonna go hit the, we can watch it, make sure that it's good, and then we're gonna hit send. And now Chip just got his thing sent here to him. So again, this is a way that will set you apart from your competitors, from the little things in the end. And so this is why I'm here to help you grow your business, and I want you to grow your business. And this is just one thing, do the same thing, but very few people will do this, that they don't feel good about themselves. They don't believe that they're gonna be able to know what to say, and just start doing it. The only way you get better is by doing it. So again, I just wanted to show you how you can use LinkedIn and send a video message and separate yourself from the competition. If you need any Christmas lights, go check out christmaslight.io, and I can help you with any of your Christmas light needs. You can give me a call if you need to ask me any questions. Number is 855-619-5483, and I'm willing to help you in anything that you need help with. Can't wait to see you in my next video.